Cylinder position for Toyota Corolla. This is a 2010 Toyota Corolla and it's a 1.8 liter engine. So we have 4 cylinders, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the same way the numbering goes: cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. So just take it that when you're facing the front of the car, you start from the left, and that's how you count the number: 1, 2, 3, 4. But how it fires is it starts from here, cylinder 1 when it's firing, 2, 3, 4. But don't confuse yourself. But the position, which is the aim of this video, is cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. That's the position.